Welcome back to Rip and Flip Cards. This is Brendan speaking. Today we'll be opening 7 packs from the Topps Flagship Edition UEFA Club Competitions trading cards for season 24-25. Let's get cracking. Granit Xhaka, showing he shouldn't be at Sunderland, let's just put it that way. Julian Alvarez, Destiny Udogie, Joshua Zirkzee, another that looks to be on his way. Jude Bellingham, that's pretty cool. I've got Northern Lights of him, very nice. Very nice. Mohamed Salah, starting to have a rough start to the year, but hey, he's still getting his goals and assists, not in majority of the games. Magnus Akalushi, Marcus Leonardo, and Frankie de Jong. David Fratesi, Real Madrid title winners. David Calabria, Julian Duranville. Victor Gyökeres, now at my club, and I believe this will be out of $2.99. No, this is out of 75. Okay. I'm not 100% sure which one this is, but pretty happy. 46 out of 75 for a guy who is now at my club. Starboy Bukayo Saka. Super efficient player. Just unbelievable. Leroy Sané and Lucas Baraldo. That's pretty cool. Victor. Hopefully get to see lots and lots of goals out of him as the year goes on. Zeno Dibast, Victor Boniface, Holly Watkins, Archie Gray, Daizan Maeda, new error card, Timothy Weah, Noni, another now Arsenal player, and Bao Gubarasi. Cyril Dessers, Luka Modric, Ayase Yoida, a Pedri Trophy Chasers, a Furman Lopez Future Stars, All-Star Rookie, Northern Lights, very nice. Georgi Sudakov, Trenoni, Kyle Walker, and Seni Mayolulu. He's turning into a ripper of a player, that lad. In fact, most of that PSG team seems to be just fantastic. Benjamin Pavard, Kevin Zeroli, Maximilian Bayer. Interesting, those 3 cards were in another pack from earlier. Hyun-Min Son, Trophy Chasers. My captain Martin Odegaard also was in that, so was Jamal Musiala, Cameron Carter-Vickers and Robert Lewandowski. Basically, I got a duplicate pack there with only 2 cards different. The first card and the Trophy Chasers. Intriguing. Rodrigo De Paul. Ken Yziakor. Diego Darlo. And we're doing it again. And Matson. Ethan Wheatley, rookie card. Iker Losada. Florian Balogun. Yep. Jeremy Doku. And the Blues. You'd think they'd have a better sorting system than that. Anyway, last pack. No need to moan. These are the things that happen. Isaac Babardi, Vinny Jr., Tijani Reyes, Lola Marniel, Jamal Musiala, Nuera, McAllister, Benny Blanco again, and Donnarumma again. So yeah, the last 3 packs I got in that were identical except for the insert. So, frustrating, but that is how these things work. Maybe Topps could look at doing a bit better. Anyway, thanks for watching, and bye.